Welcome guys, I am Harriet, and you're watching EV News on Jexton Electric. In this edition, we're gonna be focusing on Tesla news and updates. Click subscribe and the bell icon, so you don't miss out on our next edition. In late August, Tesla applied to the city of Fremont for a permit to build a new battery production line at its Fremont factory. According to the permit, Tesla wants to install a new CTA battery B build line on the second floor of the main assembly building. Tesla hasn't announced which vehicle the new line will produce batteries for, but it's believed to be the Cybertruck. Tesla plans to assemble its Cybertruck batteries on a new line using battery cells manufactured elsewhere, according to people familiar with the plan who have spoken to Tesla RT. It is not yet known if these batteries will contain 4680 battery cells. According to report, it could be 4680 cells made at the Cato Road plant, which is right near the Fremont plant, or 2170 cells made in Giga, Nevada. According to the same sources, construction of a new line has already begun in Fremont, and engineers have already installed Cybertruck battery production facilities. During our last EV News edition, we told you about the 2023 Model Y and Model 3, and their new interiors. This time, Tesla updated its website to show the 2023 models. That's according to information from Drive Tesla Canada. So the 2023 Model Y and 3 cars are already available in Tesla's existing inventory website for North America. If you've got a VIN for your new car, you'll know it's a 2023 model year by looking at the 10th digit, and it will now be P2023 instead of N2022. Based on our information source, there have been no substantive changes with the model year switch, other than the removal of ultrasonic sensors. Tesla has reduced the prices of the Model 3 and Model Y, for the first time, in the world's largest and most competitive market for electric vehicles. Tesla may be feeling the price pressure of numerous Chinese EV companies, including its main competitor BYD, which recently unveiled the Seal sedan in China at a lower price than the Model 3 but with an innovative blade battery. The Model 3 now starts at the equivalent of $36,727, down from $38,537, and the Model Y is now $39,777, down from $43,631, a nearly 10% decrease. When the news broke, Tesla's stock dropped significantly in pre-market trading, as China is one of the company's most important single markets, and Tesla had just reached a record number of deliveries from its Shanghai Gigafactory. The Tesla Semi has officially been given the green light for delivery to customers. EPA confirmed to Tesla RT that the Semi has passed the agency's evaluation and received a certificate of compliance to enter the commercial stream, which Tesla had not received from the agency in previous years, after announcing expected deliveries in 2020 and 2021. But EPA granting the Semi a certificate of conformity means the vehicle can officially enter commercial circulation, something the company has not previously received. EPA told Tesla RT that the 2023 Tesla Semi has officially received its certificate of compliance, which was issued to the manufacturer on September 29. The certificate is valid until December 31, 2023. EPA issues a certificate of compliance when a vehicle is certified as meeting the agency's emissions and fuel economy requirements. All classes of heavy-duty engines, vehicles and off-road engines are traded in the United States. Certificates of conformity are required and are only valid for 1 year of production, the EPA said. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please support us by subscribing to help us grow, and also be part of our community here at Jexton Electric Channel, as we have a mission to take the charge of fighting against climate change by bringing the future of sustainable energy closer to our viewers and subscribers, showing that electric cars are the best cars in the world. For more news and update on EVs, Subscribe to this channel. See you on our next EV News edition.